Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of fabulous master bathroom designs and tips for creating the ultimate spa experience with best master bathroom decor ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As our homes become our sanctuaries, creating a space for relaxation and rejuvenation is a top priority for many homeowners. A master bathroom offers the perfect opportunity to design a personal retreat that meets your specific needs and preferences. In this video, we will explore the essentials of master bathroom design, how to design a large master bathroom, the differences between a bathroom and a master bathroom, and what makes a good size for a master bathroom. Additionally, we will share 10 of the best master bathroom design ideas to inspire your own luxurious space. Essentials of master bathroom design. A master bathroom should consist of both functional and aesthetic elements that create a spa-like atmosphere. Some essential features of a master bathroom include: 1. Double vanity. A double vanity provides ample counter space and storage, making it easier for couples to share the space. 2. Soaking tub. A soaking tub offers a relaxing and therapeutic experience, and can also serve as a focal point in the bathroom. 3. Walk-in shower. A spacious walk-in shower with multiple shower heads provides a luxurious and invigorating experience. 4. Storage solutions. Adequate storage is key to keeping a master bathroom organized and clutter-free. Consider built-in cabinets, open shelving, and creative storage solutions to maximize space. Designing a large master bathroom. Designing a large master bathroom offers endless possibilities for customization and personalization. Some key design considerations for a large master bathroom include: 1. Separate areas. If space allows, consider dividing the bathroom into separate areas for the shower, bathtub, and vanity. 2. Statement pieces. Large bathrooms offer the opportunity to incorporate statement pieces, such as a freestanding tub, a chandelier, or a unique accent wall. 3. Natural light. Large windows or skylights can flood the space with natural light and provide a connection to the outdoors. What makes a master bathroom different? A master bathroom is typically larger and more luxurious than a standard bathroom. It is a private retreat that is connected to the master bedroom, often featuring a walk-in closet or dressing area. A master bathroom is designed for relaxation and comfort, with features such as a soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and ample storage space. The right size for a master bathroom. The size of a master bathroom can vary depending on personal preference and available space. However, a good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 100 square feet, which allows for a double vanity, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. If space allows, consider adding additional features such as a fireplace, a sauna, or a seating area. Here, these the top 10 best master bathroom design ideas. 1. Spa-like retreat. Create a calming retreat with neutral colors, soft lighting, and natural materials such as stone and wood. 2. Modern minimalism. A sleek and minimalist design with clean lines and geometric shapes can create a chic and contemporary look. 3. Vintage charm. Incorporate vintage elements such as a clawfoot tub or antique fixtures for a timeless and elegant feel. 4. Rustic retreat. Embrace a rustic aesthetic with warm wood tones, natural stone, and earthy accents. 5. Glamorous getaway. Add a touch of glamour with luxe finishes such as marble, gold accents, and crystal chandeliers. 6. Beachy escape. Bring the beach indoors with coastal-inspired decor such as seashells, coral, and a blue and white color palette. 7. Zen sanctuary. Create a peaceful and zen-like space with minimal decor, natural materials, and calming colors such as white and beige. 8. Bold and bright. Make a statement with bold colors, graphic patterns, and unexpected details such as a brightly colored tub or sink. 9. Industrial chic. Incorporate industrial elements such as exposed pipes, concrete walls, and metal accents for a cool and edgy look. 10. Artistic expression. Add a personal touch to your master bathroom with unique art pieces, a gallery wall, or a statement wallpaper. Designing a master bathroom is all about creating a space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you prefer a spa-like retreat, a beachy escape, or a bold and bright design, there are endless possibilities for creating your dream master bathroom. With the right elements such as a double vanity, a soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and ample storage space, you can create a luxurious and functional space that feels like a personal oasis. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of fabulous master bathroom design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.